Go.
I want to see. Woo. I want to see. Huh. No. I want to see. I want to see. Get you jacked up. Oh, I tweeted.
That doesn't count.
Dang it.
One.
I think I have one almost.
2.
Holy, what are
Three.
you playing at?
4.
Oh man. Oh, sometimes it comes up and then
5.
nothing happens.
6. 7.
I'm gonna blow up. It's cold, but it tastes good. Oh, that was nasty. If I laugh, I'm gonna puke.
Get up on your stool so the camera can see you. 8.
I want to see it.
9.
Drink the rest of this time. If we burn, it's gonna be jacked.
I already got you all beat. I got 10. 11.
Me and Garrett are together.
Okay, I'm
We
done.
haven't had any though.
12. I think that's all I'm going to be able to get. 13.
I think people see now. Mine,
Breath, you swallow air. 14. 15.
Oh, he did one! He did one!
No, he didn't. He faked it.
I didn't fake it. It just came out, but then it didn't come out. Nobody said. Nobody can burp.
You guys are so disappointing to me.
It hurts. Oh, I can hear it going in there. Oh, I gotta stop a second.
Alright, Bryce got one.
Can't chug this long.
What am I, on 15?
13.
No.
13. Okay, Mom, you're at 14.
You guys have 1.
Here it comes, here it comes. Okay, get off me. Oh, man.
Swallow air.
You gotta put this on the website. Here comes one.
Okay.
Then.
Garrett may not have many, but he has good ones.
I had a good one.
Yeah, you did. For those who are watching, the boys are drinking caffeine-free Diet Coke. There you go.
There's 3 of them.
Come on, Bryce.
Get off me.
Stir it up.
Kate,
Stir
get
it
off
up.
me.
Slosh it up.
Help me, get off me. Get off me. I'm gonna stir this stuff up.
Yeah, stir it up.
Oh, I'm stirring it up. Oh, here comes one.
Bryce, you're going to be on camera.
Oh, I couldn't get it. Jack it up. Okay. Now, look at my sleeves, dude. I only have to do that because of Cade.
Contest is almost over. We're at 4 minutes and counting.
I'm gonna take my shirt off. Okay.
Garrett, your face is so funny.
Oh, I almost got one. Here comes, here comes. Kate, stop biting my shirt. That's disgusting. 4, dude, we're gonna beat her.
Your eyeballs pop out of your head when you burp. There you go.
We're on 5.
My cousins Matthew and Danny used to almost be able to do the whole alphabet.
And fake burp. Jeez, Brush.
What's the matter, Kate?
He bit my shirt and wouldn't let go.
Oh, don't bite, Kate. Okay, it's almost 5 minutes. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go, Bryce.
That was 3.
You guys are catching up.
That's a.
When we hit 5 minutes, it's
That's
over.
8. That's 8. That was 8.
That's
We got
8.
8 now, dude. We got 8. We have 6 more. I'm not doing much here. I gotta get the good ones out. Hey, Kate. jack my lightsaber. Go turn it off. Please. Please go turn it off.
Oh, contest is now. You got one, Garrett?
No.
It's over. I declare myself the winner.
Dang it, have another contest. Because this is where my burp settle in.
Dude, we're not getting
You guys are supposed to bow down and call me the burp queen.
No!
Come on, bow.